Hi, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to submit real estate note investment requests online. So when you first log in, you want to go ahead and go to this quick links box and click on make an investment. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click real estate notes, scroll down, click next. From here, you want to select your account, scroll down. Then you want to select whether you want to do a normal review request, which is about 3 to 5 business days, or an expedited review request for $150, which is 1 to 2 business days. From here, you're going to enter the closing agent's information. Now for the company name, we will have a list of different company names. If your company is not there, you can always go ahead, instead of just going to the next field, you actually want to click on this drop down option here, add ABC LLC. So we'll just go ahead and add that, and then it will remain there. And this is the property information, parcel number or lot block number. Then you want to enter the borrower information. Then if there are multiple borrowers, you want to click on this add borrower button. But if not, click on next. From here, you want to specify the collateral. If it's a note secured by a deed of trust or mortgage or contract for deed. This is the note type, if it's a brand new note or if you're purchasing an existing note, or also the seller carryback note. Now when entering these numbers, you do have to continue to press 0 until you get the dollar figure you need. Is note discounted? Yes. Then you must submit no purchasing agreement. If not, just click no. This is the schedule. So we'll just go ahead and click on amortized. Now the information I'm entering is just, for example, all right, loan position, first, second, third, or other. This is if you have a loan servicer. If not, just leave that at no and click next. All right, so this is asking where you want us to send the funds. And we can send the funds via wire, ACH check, or cash check. Wire is $30, ACH is free, check is $10, cashier's check is $30. And we can mail the check via regular mail or overnight. Overnight mail is $30 as well. From here, you want to upload the promissory note, which has to already be signed by the borrower. Also, you want to upload the deed of trust or mortgage, signed and notarized by the borrower as well. And then lastly, we need the lender's title commitment, proposed insured to be vested in the name of the IRA. The rest of the documents are not required at this moment. It's only if you have them: wiring instructions, loan servicing agreement, and the rest of the documents there. So we're just going to go ahead and upload some documents, and then you'll see that green bar right here, and then the little check mark, continue uploading the other documents. All right, and then scroll down, click next. And this just goes over the expenses. There's a $175 asset purchase fee, and then the check, which is what we opted to send the funds, that's $10. And you can either pay it with the cash balance in the account, if you have any, or a credit card on file. Then click next. And from here, you just want to go ahead and check the boxes, make sure you understand and acknowledge, and scroll down and click submit. And everything has been submitted. And then here, you'll see all the documents that you've uploaded. You can actually add more documents right here. You can also review and edit the information that you already entered. Let's say you make a typo and you want to go ahead and correct it. You can after you submit it. And so you would just make whatever correction you would need to do. To do that, you would just click edit and then make the correction, click next all the way through and submit it again, essentially. But that is how you submit a real estate note online.